just going through the square through to the square. Yeah, this is ready for the Horse Guards Parade. This is the rear entrance to Horse Guards Parade. Really heavy presence here today, and right in front of you goes, hi Beth, goes towards St James's Park. So we're currently standing on the opposite side of Buckingham Palace there in front of you. One of the Queen's residences. Just showing you this wonderful flower border here and the beautiful garden at the end of St James's Park. Outside the front of Buckingham Palace. This is the wonderful circular fountain. So there's Big Ben in its former glory after its restoration project. It's been under wraps for about 2 years. And then we have the Houses of Parliament there, just coming into view. We're on one of the corners of Parliament Square, just showing you the church there, cathedral. Former British Prime Minister Sir Winston Churchill there, up on his plinth. Huge building here on the corner of Parliament Square, goes all the way down Great George Street.